To solve this inequality, let's first remove the parentheses by multiplying the terms inside the parentheses by the term outside. 3 times x minus 12 is 3x minus 36. Then, let's combine like terms. In other words, we are going to combine the terms with x on the left side of the inequality. 8x plus 3x is 11x. Now, we are going to rewrite the inequality so that the left side is only x. To do this, let's first eliminate 7x on the right side. So, we are going to subtract 7x from both sides of the inequality. Here, it is important to treat both sides equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the inequality, we must subtract the same number from the other side. After subtracting 7x, the left side of the inequality is simplified to 4x minus 36. Then, the right side of the inequality is simplified to minus 28. Next, we are going to eliminate minus 36 on the left side of the inequality. To do this, let's add 36 to both sides. After adding 36, the left side of the inequality is simplified to 4x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the inequality. Minus 28 plus 36 is 8. Now, to solve the inequality, we are going to eliminate 4 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the inequality by 4. So, x is greater than 2. This tells us that x is all numbers greater than 2. To graph this on the number line, let's shade in all the numbers to the right of 2. Then, let's put a parenthesis at 2 to show that the solution does not include 2. Also, this can be written in interval notation. Here, we use the symbol infinity, since there is no upper end to the solution.